Hi everyone and welcome to Take a Review. Today I'm going to talk you through how to install Windows 10 on an unsupported 2010 Mac Pro, and it's surprisingly easy and very quick to get everything up and running. All you need is a Mac compatible graphics card and your Windows 10 bootable USB stick. Once you've done that, if you just plug in your USB bootable stick, boot from that and install Windows as you would normally on that spare partition or a spare hard disk. Now I'm going to fast forward this next bit as you don't need to see how Windows is set up as you've probably done it so many times. So we'll jump back in when this is finished. Okay, now Windows has been installed. Let's go check out Device Manager to see what drivers are missing and see how we can actually fix those problems. So we're quite lucky because the only device that hasn't been picked up by Windows 10 is the Bluetooth USB host controller. So let's go and find some drivers for that and get that installed. Now a quick search on the internet and I came across this post on the Apple site. Now I know it says it's for a 2011 MacBook Pro. I thought I'd give it a shot, download those drivers, and they actually worked. So now I've got a 2010 Mac Pro with Windows installed. Now you will need to use the boot option to actually switch between the two, but it works and I'm quite happy with that. And finally, I wanted to run PCMark 2010 just to give you an idea of performance. Now that the benchmark's finished, you can see we've got a score of 2,454. Not the quickest of PCs, but if you've got one of these lying about and you want to put it to good use and want to run Windows 10, then you have certainly a decent PC to do quite a few things with. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, any comments, please leave them below and I'll do my best to answer. Any links and other information will be in the description below. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you all next time.